What's up, YouTube? Today I'm on my friend's or my friend's Discord server that they made, all for this comic series that me and a bunch of other people are doing. And I got new cats. One is just hold on. Hey, excuse me, Jasper. No, you can't. Jasper! Hold on. He did it on his own. This is Jasper. No, you can't get on my keyboard. I don't know. This guy just loves laying on me. Alright. Fix the video. So yeah. The series is named Catman. And the whole series is about Catman. Basically. But there's other characters. So I'm just gonna go through like all the characters and all the comics that were already made and is on this channel or this server. So yeah. And if I have the other one still, I don't have the other one still. Yeah, I don't have the other one. Yeah. Well, if I did have the other one, I was gonna go in there and see if there's any comics that were not put into this one. But yeah. Anyways, here's Catman. Alright, I will react with Catman. Alright, creator Kirby, the owner of the server. Sometimes has a mouth, pretty chill. They go by he, they. Here is one that Kirby made. It's a 4-leaf clover. It's a 4-leaf clover. Oh, that freaking voice crap. And then Catman just walks up to it. A 4-leaf clover. This must be the luckiest day of my life. And then he gets electrocuted by lightning. Sorry, my aunt came over. Anyways. Here. Next one. Look, a deer. This is my character, or one of my characters. This is Dogboy. He is best friends with Catman. And, like, he goes by he, him. He always has a mouth and stuff. I'll get into him later. So Catman's like, ooh, look, a deer. And then Dogboy's just like, what? And the deer has no face. And whenever they realize that, Catman's just like, nope, not happening. And then Dogboy's just like, what the fuck? So yeah. Here's the little animation that Kirby made. If you watch Kirby's videos, or then you know that they use it in their like drawing, like ink. They used it in their Inktober stuff videos. They're like an art YouTube channel. Like, they don't have many subscribers, but if you want to go check them out, I will have the link to their YouTube in the description. So yeah, I will react to this. And then Catboy gets eaten by Catman. Dogboy gets eaten by Catman, which is funny. And then Dogboy gets killed by the police. Police is just like, what? Police, put your hands in the air! And Catman's just like, oh god, oh fuck! So, I don't know what this is supposed to be. I don't even know what this is supposed to be. And then here is an emote. It's Catman say hi. It's it, Catman loves you! Catman loves you, Jasper! Catman loves you, Jasper! Another emote. And then Catman hates you! Ah! Ah! Don't bite me! Ah! Why do you bite me like that? You're so mean to me. No. Ah! Why do you keep... Ah! Stop biting me! He's literally trying to eat me. Right. And then that. All of this is made by Fluff Stuff, which is a really good friend of mine and Kirby's from school. So most people in here are from school. Yeah. Here's the binder. We got Catman in a bikini. Catman. I don't know what that's supposed to be. You know, Jasper, you cannot get on my keyboard. I love these cats, man. You got Shy Catman, got Teeth Catman. You got that Catman, and Big Shirt Catman, and Dressed Catman, and Mailman Catman, and Ubu Catman, and Blurred Out Catman. So yeah, that's where the Catman series all began. Here's one by Arson. So Catman meets Siren Head. Catman looks up. It's Siren Head. And then Catman starts crying because he's scared of Siren Head. Here is one made by Kirby again. So the frog people are just like, can you help me watch my baby? And Catman's just like, sure. And then they just stare at the baby. And then the baby gets flustered. This one is made by Cross, one of my very good friends. We play Nintendo together. We play Nintendo Switch games together. And Jasper really loves me. Make me a sandwich. He's like, make me a sandwich, bitch. He's so cute. Alright, so Catman is just like, and Dogboy's just like, and then Dogboy family says something. Hey, nice box. Thanks. You can have it. Well, see Circle Lady get more into her. She's another one of my characters. And Circle, they're just like, here, take it. And Circle Lady's just like, hey. And then Circle Lady sees Catman, which get more into him later. And Catman's just like, and they're just like, please take it. And Catman's, Long Cat, that's his name, Long Cat, not Catman. Long Cat's just like, sure. And then Tall Cat's just like, ... bruh, ... yo, what the fuck? And then the box was Dog Boy all along. You like this? You like this comic? He also says speculation. Is this true? What? Right. Here is one made by Kirby again. What are you? What are you? A tall cat. What are you? A dog. What are you? Sorry for asking. And then he's on by me. I made a couple days. It's that I slammed my penis in a car door. But it's Catman. Right. Next up, Dog Boy. Alright. I'm reloading Discord because it's not working properly. Right. This is Dog Boy. I think this is also so I will. Right. Dog Boy dies. Okay. Dog Boy. Creator me! Always has a mouth, best friend with Catman. Him. Dog Boy dies. Dog Boy does a flip. Catman's like, oh wow! And then I don't know what happened here. Right here, Dog Boy ate some chocolate and died. See, there's this thing. See, there's a pattern here. I think he died there too. Oh no. Here's Dog Boy with the cheerleader pom pom stuff. You're like, he's cheering you on, yeah. Here's one made by Urson. I guess they're old now. Like, Catman's just reading a book. And then Dog Boy comes in. And then he just sits there. It's like, oh yeah. Here's one made by me whenever I was still Weeb Boy. It was like, you're a wizard, Dog Boy. I'm a what? A wizard. Do 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 do. And then he gets a wand. So yeah, that's cool. Here's 2 comics by Kirby. Sometimes I don't want to be here anymore. Like, you want to die? No, I just want to leave the house. Oh. Hi, Dog Boy. Hi, Catman. How are you? I'm pretty Pog. What? I'm Pog. Don't say it again. Pog. Yo! I cannot read this. Yeah, I can't read that. It's made by Arson, though. Long cat time. Alright. So, creator, Kirby, this is Long Cat. Legs, were always changing, but still the tallest. Catman is jealous, but they're still friends. They, them. Right. Short Cat. Hey, Long Cat. What happened to your legs? I don't remember. All I remember is Dog Boy running away. Dog Boy, what the heck? Guys! He doesn't have a face. No face in reflection. Just have to give them criticism. So here's an animation by Kirby. She's like, Catman's just like, you're tall, and Long Cat's just like, yeah. Right. Another animation stuff. This one's help. Hey, Long Cat, can you get that can for me? Sure. Okay, thanks. Oops. Sitting. Hey, Long Cat. Yeah? How do you sit? Like this. Uh-oh. And then pants. Hey, Long Cat, how do you wear pants? Oh, like this. Catman? Oh, you look nice. Thanks. I love Tall Cat. I don't know what that is. But, kitty. And then Catman's just like, ah! He died. And then Long Cat's just like, I'm fabulous. And then Catman's just like, oh my god. Another kissy Catman Long Cat thing. And then Dugwood's like Pog whenever Long Cat sits on Catman. And then Long Cat sits on Catman again. And then Long Cat's just like, what? And then here's one. Here's the same one from up there. And then here's the one I made on stream. Circle Lady and Long Cat. So like Circle Lady's just like minding her business. And then someone walks up next to her. And then Circle Lady's just like, oh, hi. And then Long Cat's just like, hello. Right. Yes, I see that. Here's Floyd. We don't really use them much. Use it much. So creator is Arson. Only character that Arson made, I think. So creator Arson. Floyd the Void tends to attract everything towards it. Obviously, it's a black hole. Confuses Catman. I said black hole. I think Floyd is like black hole. It might just be a void. So Catman's just like, hi. And Floyd's just like, I'm going blah, blah, blah. And then Catman's just like, what the fuck? Like getting sucked in to Floyd, I think. And then cute little Floyd. And then here's a new character. Like, I don't know how old this character is, but last time I was doing a Catman comic, they weren't a character yet. So this might be new. So creator. Creator is Kirby. Obviously, she's the only one that will make Dino. And then he likes to sit in small bodies of water. And he wants to be friends with Dogboy, but Dogboy's scared of him. So cute. He goes by him. And then Arson says, I think I put this here. And then it's a cute little drawing of Dino in a small body of water with the part. And then Kirby's just like, haha, yeah. And then here's Circle Lady. Circle Lady, creator me, has a crush on Catman, but is too shy, so he just stares at him. See, I never knew that Circle Lady had a crush on Catman, even though I was the one who created her. Her. Makes Catman nervous with the staring. Her. So yeah, I never knew that she had a crush on Catman until like today, whenever I was streaming. So yeah, here's her all flustered. Let me go back to Dino and Floyd. Right. So here's another comic made by Kirby. This is also made by Kirby, I think. I don't know. So this is made by Kirby. Just like staring, and then staring, and then Kevin's just like, "Oh, look at me!" So yeah, that's cute. And then Ball, made by Kirby, I think. So Dogboy kicks ball. And then Circle Lady's like, that was my grandma! Sob! And then Dogboy's just like, did she just say sob? And the same one from Cat. Yeah. And then some fan art. Jasper made this, not my cat, this is a different Jasper. they made this long cat and Catman. Catman reminds me of Hinata from Haikyuu. And then my one of my bestest friends, like on the same level as Kirby. Kirby's also one of my bestest friends. So yeah, one of my bestest friends, Blood Moon Wolf, made this chibi Catman. So yeah, that's cute. And then Teeth now Catman, but made by Jasper. So yeah, that's the thing. And then the same, I slam my penis in the car door meme. And I'm so funny. I'm so funny. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye guys and girls. And yeah, leave a like. Go check out Kirby's channel. Yeah.